Yes, and start. In Rampal and another versus State of Haryana and another 1991 bracket 1 crimes 566, this court found jurisdiction in the action of the police to register an FIR at the place where complainant wife resided and required the return of dowry articles at that place. Stop. The provisions of section 181 bracket 4 CRPC were relied upon to clothe the police of police station Kanawali with jurisdiction to investigate the case, as at that place the wife was residing when the FIR was registered. Stop. It was held therein as under stop para. On the point of jurisdiction, it transpires that the articles of dowry were entrusted at Kalamali when the marriage took place, and the petitioners are expected to return these dowry articles to her at her parents' house in village Kalavali, where she is presently residing. Stop. According to subsection bracket 4 of section 181 of the Code of Criminal Procedure, offence of criminal misappropriation or of criminal breach of trust may be inquired into and tried by a court within whose local jurisdiction the offence was committed, or any part of the property was received or retained or was required to be returned or accounted for by the accused person. Stop. Thus, at this stage, it cannot be said that the property was not received at Kalavali and that it was not required to be returned at village Kalavali, where the complainant at present resides. Stop. Thus, without completion of investigation, it cannot be said that the police of police station Kalavali had no jurisdiction to investigate the case. Stop. Moreover, at the most, it would amount to an irregularity under section 462 of the Code of Criminal Procedure, as the petitioners had failed to show whether any prejudice had been caused to them due to the investigation or inquiry conducted by the police of police station Kalavali Pehra. This court reiterated that in matrimonial cases, the court at the bride's residence had the jurisdiction to try the offence under section 406 and 498 A IPC, as the effect of physical cruelty in the shape of mental cruelty travelled to the said place. Stop. It was held in the following paras. Stop. The debtor must find its creditor is the basic law. Stop. Assuming for the sake of argument that this principle of contractual liability is not applicable to the matrimonial cases, still it is the husband who is to account for the dowry articles of his wife, which were given in the shape of Stridhan. Stop. The case of the complainant is that right from the very beginning, the family of the accused was not satisfied with the dowry articles. Stop.